Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to convert a PDF file to Google Sheets. Google Sheets does not directly support PDF files, but you can use a quick workaround to extract tables from a PDF into your spreadsheet. We will use the sample PDF file. Let's close this and upload it to Google Drive. Go to drive.google.com, then click My Drive on the left sidebar. Then, drag and drop your PDF file into your drive. Once it's uploaded, right-click on the PDF, hover over Open With, and select Google Docs. Google Docs will open and try to convert the PDF. If your PDF has a table, sometimes it gets extracted as editable text or as a basic table. Some formatting, as you may observe, may not be copied. Now, highlight the table or data you want to use. Right-click and choose Copy. Next, let's open a new Google Sheet to paste the data. Go back to your Google Drive. At the top left, click the plus New button. From the drop-down menu, select Google Sheets. A new spreadsheet will open. Click on the cell where you want to put the data, right-click and choose Paste. Your table from the PDF should now appear in Google Sheets. You can now clean it up, adjust the formatting, and start working with your data. Keep in mind that this method works best if the PDF is text-based and if the table is clearly structured. If the PDF is scanned or very complex, you might need to use a PDF to Excel converter first, like Adobe Acrobat Pro, smallpdf.com, and others, but you usually need to pay for these tools. So, that is how you convert a clear PDF to Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.